Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2007 Dodge Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace headlights or headlight light bulbs. So I will show you how to replace high beam, low beam and turn signal light bulb. This video applies to Dodge Caravans or Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so to start, lift up the front hood. Now to replace any of the light bulbs, you'll actually have to completely remove and pull out the headlight. And you can do that by unscrewing these three screws, this one, and this one. You can either use the flat screwdriver or 8mm socket. Okay, so these are the screws, and once you have removed them, the headlight will be completely loose, so you can just grab it here and pull it straight out. Now to completely remove the headlight, all you have to do is just disconnect all the light bulbs, or if you are replacing specific light bulb, this one here is a turn signal light bulb, you just want to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out, and then in case you have to replace this light bulb, you just pull it straight out. Okay, so just next to it, this light bulb is for your low beam and high beam, so it's the same light bulb actually. So what you want to do, you first want to unlock it by turning this black circle counterclockwise, just like this, and pulling it off. And then you can just pretty much pull out the light bulb and have it replaced. I will also show you how to unplug this light bulb. So what you want to do, you just want to leave these plastic things over the pin, just like I did, you see, and then you can just pull this light bulb straight out. I'll have to use both of my hands, but this is what you want to do. So just leave this with flat screwdriver or with your fingers if you can, and disconnect the light bulb. Okay, see, so this is the pin, and these are these plastic clips which you have to lift. Okay, and this is my new light bulb. So what you want to do, just want to plug it in and squeeze it in, and it's just gonna pop into its place, just like this, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.